Hello everyone, welcome to our FS1 Mental Math class. The learning objective is learners will be able to identify the use of a dice in games. The learning outcome is learners are able to identify the patterns of dots on the dice and start using the dice to play the snakes and ladders game. Let us now revise the dice in detail and know how to play the snakes and ladders game. Can you see this dice, children? Can you tell me how many dots are there on this dice? Yes, you are correct. There is only one dot on this dice. Now, can you tell me how many dots you can see on this dice? Yes, well done, children. There are two dots on this dice. Now, children, can you tell me how many dots are there on this dice? Yes, perfect. It's three dots. There are three dots on this dice. Now let us look at this dice. Can you tell me how many dots you can see on this dice? Yes, well done. There are four dots on this dice. Can you see this dice, children? What do you think? How many dots are there on this dice? Can you tell me? Yes, good job. It's 5 dots. There are 5 dots on this dice. Now let us look at the last dice. Can you tell me how many dots you can see on this dice? Yes, it's 6 dots. Well done, children. Good job. Now, are you ready to play the snake and ladders game with me? Let's begin now. This game is called the snakes and ladders game. Can you see there are many snakes and ladders on the board? Can you see the dice, children? Now you know how to use a dice and estimate the dots on a dice. Can you see this yellow piece here? This yellow piece shown here is called a pawn, or you can also call it a counter. Now let me explain the rules of this game. Each player will keep their counter outside the board. You need to take turns to roll the dice. If your counter lands on the bottom of a ladder, you can move up to the top of that ladder. But if your counter lands on the top of a head of a snake, you must slide down the bottom of the snake. And the first player who gets to the space outside the board is the winner. There is one more important thing, children. the important rule is you cannot start the game with any other number. To start this game, you need to get number 6. That means 6 dots on a dice. Now, children, shall we begin the game? Okay, now the teacher is going to roll the dice. Oh, can you see this dice? Which number is this? Can you tell me how many dots are there on this dice? Yes, it is number 2. Do you think I can start the game? Yes, you are right. I cannot start the game because the rule is you need 6 dots to start this game. Let's roll the dice again. What about now, children? Can you see the number in this dice? Do you know how many dots are there? Do you think I can start the game now? Yes, you are right. I cannot start the game because we need 6 dots to start the game. Let's roll the dice once more. How about now, children? Can you see the dice? Which number is this? Yes, you are right. It's number 6. So, I can start the game. Now, children, as you can see 6 dots and it is number 6, we need to hop forward 6 times. So, let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see I am on number 6. So my counter has landed on number 6. What do you think this number is now? Yes, it's number 5 as the dice has 5 dots. So now children, we need to go forward. We need to count after 6 5 times and you need to move your counter 5 times forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, can you remember the rule of this game? Yes, you can see a big ladder over here. So now what are we going to do, children? So now you need to climb on this ladder and go to the top. Now let's climb up the ladder. Well done, children. Can you see? Now I am on number 27. 6. Now let us roll the dice once more again. Oh, we got number 1. So children, I need to go forward one box. Oh no, children, can you see where I am now? Can you see a big long snake? So I need to slide down. As the rule says, whenever we land on a snake's head or a face, we need to slide down the snake. As I landed on number 1 earlier, so now I need to go down the snake. Let's go down now. So children, this way you can play this game with your mommy, daddy and your brothers and sisters. I'm sure you will enjoy this game. Now children, after coming on number 1, you can continue this game till you win the game. It's reflection time. As you can see, there are many dice here. You need to identify the dots and write each number. Make sure you don't count the dots but estimate or guess the number from your mind like mental maths. Now, I'm sure you are excellent with the dice. Good job, children. Well done. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day. See you soon.